Ever wondered if you can really grow a small crypto investment fast? In this video, I will show you exactly how I turned $100 into $1,000 with crypto in just 30 days. Like this video and subscribe for real results, smart tips, and honest insights from the world of digital investing. 1. Research the market deeply before investing a single dollar. I spent 3 days reading white papers articles and watching crypto analysis to learn basic trading behavior. Understanding how coins behave helped me predict better entry points and avoid emotional decision-making. I looked into top trending coins daily and followed their patterns through multiple market analysis charts. Learning crypto slang terms helped me understand what the online traders were actually talking about daily. I followed market sentiment using simple public tools that show fear and greed indexes for daily guidance. This research gave me confidence and helped avoid random decisions that lose money for new investors fast. The more I read, the clearer the differences between hype coins and solid projects became for me daily. 2. Started with a stablecoin pair to minimize immediate volatility. I used my first $100 to buy a stablecoin pair so I could watch without immediate losses. This strategy helped me stay grounded during the market dips because my value held steady with lower risk. I watched how stablecoins moved in pairs and how other coins reacted to sudden price shifts each hour. This gave me time to learn without losing confidence and kept my account safe from large sudden drops. It also helped me see how liquidity pools and coin swaps worked in real trading platforms and apps. Using stablecoin pairs helped me feel more in control while the market continued moving unpredictably. I learned the value of timing and patience instead of rushing into coins with no plan or clear strategy. 3. Chose low-cap coins with high volume and strong community signals. I looked for small coins that had loyal followings and growing trading volume across multiple platforms. The best projects had consistent post-developer activity and growing excitement across social platforms. I joined discussion groups to understand what real holders were doing with those tokens every day. This taught me how to read community behavior and spot signs of manipulation or organic market moves. When a coin had a use case and people believed in its future, the growth was usually more sustainable. Volume showed me that people were active and committed to the project, not just holding for short hype. This helped me ride short trends that turned into longer climbs with daily effort and clear judgment. 4. Use technical analysis tools to time my entries and exits precisely. I started learning simple chart patterns like support-resistance candles and breakout points each day. Using those tools helped me avoid late entries and panic exits, which usually cost new traders money. I practiced by charting coins I did not own and watching how my predictions played out over time. Once I was confident, I applied the same strategy to my portfolio and saw better results instantly. I did not try to catch every move. I waited for signals that matched what I studied from previous trades. Trading became more like a system and less like guessing once I followed clear visual price movements. Learning technical analysis created structure and gave my strategy the discipline I truly needed. 5. Reinforced small wins by reinvesting profits and avoiding overtrading. Whenever I made a gain, I took part of it and reinvested it into other strong signals or held in reserve. I avoided jumping in and out too quickly, which would have eaten my gains through trading platform fees. Instead, I moved slowly with purpose, letting winners grow while watching the market closely each day. I learned not to touch coins just because they were moving fast unless I had done proper preparation. Small gains added up faster than failed big bets, and I saw real growth within just a couple of weeks. I avoided overtrading and never invested everything at once, which helped me survive the red days better. The more I stuck with my strategy, the clearer my financial goals and plans became for crypto profits. 6. Took advantage of market dips with confidence and pre-planned orders. Instead of fearing drops, I saw them as discounts when my chosen coins went lower for short moments. I set limit buy orders so they triggered automatically when prices dipped during sudden pullbacks. This helped me enter good coins at lower prices without having to watch charts 24/7. It also removed emotion from my decision-making because I already knew what price I wanted to enter. When the price dropped, I felt calm and collected because my strategy was already locked and waiting. These dip buys gave me great positions that turned profitable faster than random entries ever did. I saw value in every red candle and treated pullbacks like buying opportunities, not danger signs. Planning my orders gave me more peace and prevented panic when the market moved unpredictably. 7. Tracked every trade and noted mistakes for ongoing improvement. I kept a notebook and spreadsheet of every trade, including entry reason, target, and final result. Writing it down showed me patterns and mistakes that I would have missed just watching a chart. It helped me see when I was emotional and when I truly followed the strategy I promised to use. By reviewing my history, I avoided repeating the same errors and found better setups over time. Even losing trades became learning experiences that shaped my overall success and clarity. Each week I checked the numbers to see how small adjustments improved my win ratio consistently. This habit gave me control and confidence and made trading feel more like a growing profession. 8. Joined online forums and Telegram groups to stay updated. I followed active crypto communities and groups to get updates, news, and early signals before big moves. These groups shared trends, warnings, and strategies that helped me react quickly and learn faster. I filtered noise and followed only a few trusted voices who provided real-time educational insight. It also kept me motivated seeing others succeed and share transparent results and useful tips. I asked questions, learned from others' mistakes, and shared my own to get feedback and clarity. This constant exposure made me adapt faster to new market conditions and popular trading tools. It was like having a learning circle that accelerated my experience and kept me mentally sharp. The shared energy and ideas made my 30-day challenge more exciting, rewarding, and focused. 9. Practiced emotional control during swings and volatility. There were times the market dipped hard, and I felt like quitting, but I reminded myself of the plan. I learned to stay calm during sudden drops and not celebrate too early during fast upward spikes. Keeping my emotions steady helped me avoid selling low or buying high based on sudden fear. I paused, breathed, and looked at my chart and notes before taking any rushed action. Each controlled response gave me more confidence and preserved the gains I had already secured. The market tests you, and staying calm is one of the biggest tools for long-term trading success. I avoided overreacting and learned that patience often brought rewards when I stayed disciplined. Emotional control became my biggest edge, especially when others were reacting without plans. 10. Cashed out a portion and repeated the process with discipline. Once I crossed the 1,000 mark, I took out a portion to celebrate and secure real results. I did not leave all the money in and risk giving it back during the next random market drop. By withdrawing part of the gain, I felt accomplished and kept my confidence strong moving forward. I used the remaining funds to repeat what worked without rushing into bigger risks or new trends. This built momentum and made trading feel like a process, not just a one-time win by chance. I stayed consistent with the same habits and avoided distractions from hype or untested ideas. The real success came from doing small, smart steps every day with clear plans and honest review. This experience showed me that with strategy, discipline, and time, real crypto growth is possible. Turning 100 into 1,000 was not luck, it was strategy and timing. If this story gave you new ideas or motivation, leave a like and subscribe for more crypto tips and personal finance wins. Got questions or your own success story? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep learning how to grow your money the smart way.